So let's make these super easy 4-ingredient peanut butter cookies. Let's go. So the first thing we're going to use is peanut butter. I already have it measured out. I have a cup of peanut butter. And I'm going to get it out of here. 1 cup. This is creamy peanut butter. If you want to use the ones that's crunchy, you can. Next, let's get some honey. So I have my honey measured. This is about a 1/3 cup of honey. Next, we're going to add some vanilla extract, a teaspoon. So now I have flour, about a 1/4 cup of flour. This is self-rising flour. And y'all, that's it. We're going to mix it up. No extra butter, no extra sugar. These 4 ingredients. So I have my dough mixed up, and I'm going to just pop it in the refrigerator just for a few minutes. And I have my oven already set for 350. So I'm having the refrigerator just for a few minutes. And we're going to put these on a baking sheet, and we're going to bake it. Simple, easy, healthier version of peanut butter cookies. And let me let y'all see how this looks. That is my dough. And you can double this recipe, of course. I'm just kind of giving y'all how it looks. There you go. So I got some dough, and I'm just rolling it up in a ball. I'm going to place it on my pan. Yes, this is a large pan. I have a fork. So you just kind of press it lightly. And that's pretty much it. Y'all see that? So I'm going to do this for the rest of the dough. And I'm going to pop it in the oven for 8 minutes, 350 degrees. And we're going to have some simple, easy, healthier peanut butter cookies.